Yo, what's up guys? Universal Mastery. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about an occult subject that is very important to understand once you start to get into spirituality itself and once you start to get into the more advanced levels of self-awareness. And what I'm going to be talking about is, what is the black flame? Stay tuned. Okay, so the black flame is well known, as I was saying in the title, is well known in the occult. Okay, so the black flame is essentially a certain type of state of mind that you're going to be entering as you start to initiate through, whatever initiations that you're going to be going through that are going to lead up to you becoming your highest self. A literal, if you will, incarnation of your actual higher self, or holy guardian angel, or daemon. Okay, so the black flame consciousness, as I like to call it, or the black flame state of mind, is something that you will as you proceed, and this is something that will come from actual practice. Okay, it's something that will come from practicing magic, meaning sitting down, channeling spirits, gazing at sigils, doing actual rituals, doing actual workings, making offerings to spirits, specific to whatever your path is, and what you're trying to achieve in life, and what's aligned with your purpose and your true will and your true self and all those things. You will eventually adapt a slight understanding of what the black flame is. You may not even know fully like how to explain it at first, but you will feel a shift in your state of mind. You will feel a shift in your state. And the black flame specifically, like when it comes to magic, and when it comes to, especially like when you practice, and this is all stuff that you can take in your day-to-day life as well. This is all stuff that will go down in your day-to-day life, because we do live in a spiritual world. I hope you guys didn't forget that. One second. Bang, if you're watching this, sponsor me, because I drink your shit all the time and I need to be sponsored by you guys. So as I was saying, the black flame, okay, so yeah, I remember what I was saying. So as you start to practice magic, and once again, if you're on a path to success, whatever path you're on, you will experience different states of mind. Okay, there are going to be different states of mind that you will have to enter to get the things that you're looking to get out of life and experience life the way that you want to experience life. So the black flame state of mind specifically is going to be a state of mind that you're going to enter that is going to form you through the initiations that you're going to be going through, and it's going to form you through that black flame and transform the adept or the individual into the person that they are trying and truly want to become. So the black flame state of mind is a very initiatory, primordial, wise, energetic, aggressive state of mind, where you're pretty much viewing life and in a very spiritual way, but at the same time you're seeing the higher levels of spirituality through your day-to-day life, meaning you look at situations as opportunities of initiation. You look at situations as symbols that are meaningful. Meaning, like, let's say someone calls you and they say, hey, like, do you want to do this today? We could do this. Then you may look at that as like, damn, like, I feel like I actually have to do that. Like, this is something I should do. Because when you actually get into that state of mind, once you actually tap into the black flame state of consciousness, you'll realize that you'll start to manifest certain situations that will be directly correlated to that state of mind that you've tapped into. So you may tap into that state of mind, and then someone that you haven't talked to in a long time, or some type of person that you've never really connected with ever, even on an archetypal level, you may connect with them, and then they ask you to come out and do something with them. You definitely go do that shit, because you're most likely gonna learn something. There's something there that you have to learn. Because what is black magic? What is darkness? Darkness, this is all stuff that is unknown. So if there's a certain type of person that you've never hung out with before, but you've seen show up in your life many times, meaning the archetypal sense, the type of spirit, the type of character that person carries, but they show up in your life all the time, but you don't really understand because you've never hung out with them, you never got to know them, you've never gone out, whatever the fact of the matter is, that's just something that you need to understand. So if that person invites you to go do something, go out with them, because they may share something very powerful with you that you never knew they had in them. Because what if they, maybe they're a channel for you to learn something, or maybe your spirit guides, maybe your highest path is calling you to go connect with that person so that they can manifest and influence you through that other person. Okay, and this is all stuff that you will experience with the black flame. Okay, so the black flame consciousness is not necessarily the easiest state of consciousness to be in, because remember, it's an initiatory state of mind, but it is something that the individual or adept should always be striving to strengthen. And obviously there's going to be times where you need to balance it, and you need to kind of take a step back and just observe, and it's also important to do meditation and things of that nature. But the black flame is a primordial aspect. It is a side of you that is seeking for knowledge and seeking to turn knowledge into wisdom and power. Okay, so you can imagine that being in that state of mind 24/7 every single day for the rest of your life would be very fucking potent, but is not realistic, and you would obviously need to balance it out, because you would get too stressed out, and it would cause you to burn out. Let's just say that. But that is what the black flame is, guys. So it is a state of mind, it's a state of awareness, it's a state of consciousness that causes other specific situations to happen in your life that are going to cause you to move up in life. Okay, it is an initiatory state of mind. The more you work on it, the more it forms you, the more it puts you through the fires to burn away the aspects of yourself that you do not need or want to truly have a part of you or in you, to then result into you becoming the fucking rising phoenix from the fucking flames. You know what I mean? Becoming the best you. So yeah, so that's literally what the black flame is. I don't really need to go too much farther in this video about it. Just know that when you start to get into initiatory work, when it comes to path working, when it comes to your spiritual progress, when it comes to you trying to be a powerful spiritual being, expect that you're going to be finding a way to tap in to that black flame. The black flame will ignite in you, and the more that you practice working on that black flame and working with it, the stronger it becomes, the more natural it becomes, and the quicker it starts to transform you. And then once you do finally become the best version of yourself, then the state of mind may shift for you. Maybe you're not going to be working necessarily as much on your black flame, because you got to a certain level where you're supposed to work on a different state of mind. That's another thing. Be ready to shift states of mind, and trust your intuition, trust your instincts with that as well, because your states of mind will shift. This is part of the process of growth. When you die to your old self and you become a new self, that usually will come with a different perspective and a different state of mind. So be ready for that. So yeah, other than that, that's what I'm gonna leave this video at. Pretty short video, but very impactful if you can dive into it. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I'm posting videos every single day. And if you have any questions, drop down in the comments, or go to my Instagram direct messages. I'll love to engage with you guys there. Also, if you donate me $5, I'm gonna put my Venmo at the top of the description. If you donate me $5, you can have up to 3 questions, and I will respond and break down step by step to those 3 questions that you asked me, so I make sure that you guys understand what I'm telling you to answer your question. And I will respond on video format, so I'll take my phone, I'll record a video, and I'll send it to you. So I'll do that. That's $5 donation, and it also helps my channel, so I definitely appreciate that. And let's see here. And then if you drop down in the first link, that is going to be below the Venmo. That's going to take you to my Streamlabs merch, which is very powerful shirts that have symbols of power that literally can cause certain situations to manifest in your life for your benefit, because it is a subconscious symbol of power. So go check that out. That's that link right there, the first link. And then you go to the link below that, that's going to be my Facebook community. So I'm trying to get a bunch of spiritually aware, spiritually powerful people in one location, one group, and harness down and focus on that, whatever it is that we're going to be talking about. I'm going to be posting extra content in there. But the reason is, when you get a bunch of powerful people that are tapping into this energetic current, I mean, amazing, powerful things will start to happen. Like very powerful situations will manifest, and you never know the things that you might learn about yourself or about life in general. So that's the agenda behind that. And yeah, other than that, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. So I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great rest of the day or night wherever you're at, and peace.